we need to pick out all the CZ and the ruby and sapphires, if any. If it's diamond, I show blue color. This is diamond. This one register diamond as well. This one register diamond as well. This one's no reaction. That means it's CZ. So we need to select this out. And let's try this one. This one is right color. It says other stone. So this is a white sapphire. The testing probe needs to be 90 degrees on the stone surface.
Diamond.
It says diamond and also display and also says diamond. This one diamond ring and this one
CVD.
This is a CVD HPHT. CVD stones, this one. Let's try this one.
Moissanite.
This is a moissanite. This is a moissanite, CVD, and diamond. It's very easy to operate and it's easy to use.